you are thinking about getting into trucking or logistics, stop right there because this video is must watch. Hi, my name is Lida and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been truck driver, dispatcher, freight broker and more, so trust me when I say I have done it all. In this video, I'm gonna break down 5 ways to get into logistics in 2025, what each path involves, how much you can make, the pros and cons, and which one is the best for beginners. Plus, I will share my personal experience, like how I got my CDL for only $257 and how you can get started too. Stick around till the end because I'm gonna tell you my pick for the best entry point in logistics, so let's dive in. So first one, let's start with truck driving. One of the most common ways to enter into logistics. I have been a truck driver myself, as I mentioned, and I know exactly what it takes to succeed on the road. Here is what you need to know. Initial investment. When I started, I only paid $257 because I went to DMV, I took the test, and I got my permit. After, I rented a truck and then took my exam. Now the regulation has changed, but there are still CDL schools that will typically cost you $3,000 to $5,000. However, some companies like Swift, Schneider will cover your training if you agree to work for them for a set amount of time. Salaries. Truck drivers earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 a year. For example, Walmart truck drivers make up to $95,000 annually. The good side, trucking lets you make decent money without college degree. You will also get to travel and see the country. So, downside, it is not easy. You will spend long hours away from family, face limiting access to healthy food, and often live on the road. Long working hours, resets on the road, and the lack of weekends at home are all part of the job. So if you are physically strong, have great attention to details, and you enjoy traveling, trucking might be for you. Next one is dispatching. More flexibility, less travel. If being on the road isn't your thing, consider dispatching. I have also worked as a dispatcher, so let me break down that for you. What dispatchers do? They connect drivers with loads, coordinate with freight brokers and shippers, and ensure everything runs smoothly. As far as earnings, as a company dispatcher, you can earn fixed salary, $3,200 till $4,000 per month, plus sometimes they get commission. Starting your own dispatching company is even better. You can charge trucking companies or owner-operators 5 to 12% of their earnings. This way you can make more money. The good side, dispatching allows you to work from home or even in the office, requires fewer hours than trucking, and doesn't need a college degree as well. The downside, while you are not on the road, you are also not traveling. You will be stuck in one place. It requires excellent communication and organization skills since you will be managing schedules and working directly with drivers and brokers. If you prefer stability and enjoy multitasking, dispatching is a great option. Number 3, freight brokering, high income potential. Freight brokering is another role I have taken on, and it is one of the most entrepreneur paths in logistics. What's the difference between freight brokers and freight broker agents? Agents find customers, arrange loads, book the trucks, but don't handle invoicing or paperwork. Freight brokerage owners handle the entire process, including back office, invoicing, insurance, and compliance. Earning potential. Freight brokers agents make 55 to 70% commission on each load they move, which can lead to 6-figure income with hard work. Company employee brokers often earn $55,000 to $60,000 base salary plus commission. However, these positions usually have non-compete agreements, so you cannot take your clients if you leave the company, which I don't recommend anyone. The good side, freight brokering offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere with a laptop, phone, and Wi-Fi. It is lucrative field with high earning potential. It is very demanding. You will need to be available 24/7, including working in holidays and weekends. It is not for everyone, but if you are driven and organized, it can be incredibly rewarding. Next one is recruiting, connecting people in logistics. So if you are a people person, recruiting can be a great fit for you. What recruiters do, they connect drivers and logistics professionals with the companies and help them to get hired and find jobs. Earning potential. Recruiters often earn a fixed salary plus commission. The more placement you make, the more you earn. The good side, recruiting is all about building relationships, and it can be done remotely or in the office. If you love networking and helping people, this could be your way into logistics. So, what is the best path for beginners? Now, let's decide. If you are just starting out, you might be wondering which path is the best, right? Based on my experience as a truck driver, dispatcher, and freight broker, here is my advice. If you are looking for a quick way to make decent money, you are physically strong, without much upfront investment, trucking is a great starting point. If you prefer flexibility, working from home, consider dispatching. If you are ready to hustle and aim for higher income potential, freight brokering must be for you, and that might be the way to go, which also happens to be my favorite path. So keep in mind, I came into it with experience as a truck driver, dispatcher, but if you are willing to put in the hard work and stay dedicated, you can absolutely succeed even without prior experience. So, which logistics path are you most interested in? Please let me know in the comments below. Trucking, dispatching, freight brokering, recruiting. I would love to hear what your thoughts are. And if you are ready to dive into freight brokering, check out my training program, link in the description. I will teach you everything you need to know to build a successful freight brokerage agency or freight brokerage. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on logistics and making money in 2025 through logistics. Help your girl out so algorithm can see my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.